Hey guys, this is Keith over at Seriously Strong Training. Today I'm going to show you how to use knee wraps to improve your performance on the squat. What I have here are Inzer knee wraps. They're really good. I love them. I don't really have experience with anybody else's knee wraps, but I'm happy with these. I have seen knee wraps from like the sporting store, and those are junk. They're not going to give you the support that these are. They're not going to add the weight to your squat that these are going to add. So if you're going to get knee wraps, make sure you get some that are reputed for powerlifting, some that are going to add a lot of support. And these are great for maybe moving your sticky point a little bit higher in the squat. I know that mine, it goes up a few inches. They're great for maybe if you're having some knee pain, to kind of alleviate some of that knee pain or let you work around it. And again, they're just great for adding more weight to your squat. So what we're going to do here is we're going to, I always have it rolled up when I start, and I'm going to put my leg long. I'm going to start a few inches above the knee and wrap it around here. And then once I get it around, I'm going to pull it tight. And this little flap here is really important because at the end, we're going to tie it off using that. So every time I wrap, I'm going to pull it nice and tight. Stretch it. Each wrap is going to overlap a little bit, moving down the knee. And I usually end up with about 4 wraps like that. Once I hit that 4th one, and I'm a couple inches below the bottom of the kneecap, I start to pull it tight and bring it around the kneecap. Pull it tight there, crisscross over the knee again, and then this last time. So what I'm going to do here now is pull it tight and tie these two ends together. Now it's really tight. Obviously, the tighter you pull each wrap, the more wraps you're going to get out of it, the more support you're going to get. But at the same time, the more uncomfortable it's going to be, the shorter amount of time you're going to want to have it on. So a super tight wrap might be great for a 1 rep max or a PR attempt. You're not going to want to have it on very long. And I personally usually rip it off as soon as I get off the squat because it's all I can have on my mind. But if you're not using these already, go ahead and get yourself a pair, and they're going to definitely add a lot of weight to your squat.